Good morning. This is our maths for today. We are going to move on to column subtraction today. Okay, so we are going to be learning to subtract 4-digit numbers using the formal method of column subtraction without exchanging for today. Okay, so you're going to be subtracting 1-digit numbers using your mental maths and thinking about using the smallest place value column first and then writing the answer in the correct box underneath the correct place. Okay, subtraction. Okay, I want you to pause the video here. What other words, you're going to write this down, can we use instead of saying subtraction? Okay, I want you to pause the video here and see how many you can get. Okay, we could say subtraction, difference, take away, minus. We could also say less. Okay? Because remember, when we take numbers away, the answers get smaller, whereas when we add, the numbers get bigger. Okay, so column subtraction. Secret Agent 009 here, and he's going to help us subtract 4-digit numbers using the written method of column subtraction. Okay, so in this method we use our place value understanding to make sure we line up the thousands, hundreds, tens and ones in the correct columns, just like when we were doing column addition. Okay, so our equation is 4,345 take away 2,232. Okay, so I've got my 4,000s, 300s, 4 10s and 5 1s. And we're going to be taking away the 2,232. So we don't need to make them because we're actually going to be taking them away from the first. Okay, so now we've lined up the 4-digit numbers, we're going to subtract the number in each column, starting with the smallest place value, which is the ones. So we write the answer of each column subtraction in the answer box, and we can only ever write 1 digit in each box, the same as our column addition, we can only write 1 digit. So we've got 5 minus 2, we're going to take 2 of those away. How many are we left with? We are left with 3. So we write that straight underneath. You can see underneath in my number version that I've written 3 in the ones column because there's 3 left over. Now we're going to take 3 10s away from 4 10s. Okay, or 40 take away 30. And we should be left with 10. 1 10. Okay, you can see we've taken away those 3 10s now. We are left with 1 10. Okay, now we move on to the hundreds. We're going to subtract 200 from 300, so 300 take away 200, we should be left with 100. Okay, so we've got our 300s, we take 2 of them away, we are left with 100. Last but not least, our thousands. 4,000 take away 2,000, take 2 of those away, we are left with 2,000, so the answer is 2,113. Okay, this is Secret 008. She's going to practice again with a different subtraction calculation using place value counters. Okay, 5,875 take away 2,423. Okay, we've got our 5,000s, 800s, 7 10s, 5 1s. We're going to be taking away the bottom number. So now that they've lined up the 4-digit numbers, they're going to subtract the numbers in each column, always starting with the ones first. So 5 take away 3, take 3 of those away, we are left with 2. 70 take away 20, we've got our 7 10s, we're going to take 2 of them away. Okay, we are left with 5 10s. 800 take away 400, so our 8 10s, we're going to take 4 of them away. And we are left with 400s. Now we move over to our thousands. We've got 5,000 take away 2,000. We should have 3 left over, so the answer is 3,452. Right, what you're going to do is you're going to pick an activity for this morning. So we've got our 1 start, 2 start and 3 start. We also have an extra challenge, which is a little bit of problem solving. Okay, pick your sheet, have a go at the questions, writing them in your books. Okay, you can print them out if you'd like to, but writing them in your books, and then the answers are on the same document on the next page. Okay, so once you've done your questions, I want you to then mark your own work. Okay, so think about using our understanding of column subtraction to work out the missing digits in each calculation. You're going to have a think, what take away what makes the answer. Okay, you can pause the video here, have a go at that, and then come back. Okay, of course, 6 take away 1 makes 5, and 9 take away 4 makes 5. 9 take away 4 makes 5, 7 take away 1 makes 6, 7 take away 3 makes 4, and 6 take away 1 makes 5.